Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, your first topic in your costing syllabus, heading echo please. Learning curve. Learning curve. Bracket में compulsory 7 marks in exam from the last 7 years I have observed 7 marks पूछता है topics here. Concept of learning curve compulsory 7 marks. Okay. Introduction heading. Introduction heading. This concept will apply when the same worker does the same job repeatedly. Does the same job repeatedly at a constant rate. At a constant rate. As a result, average time per unit decreases. When production gets doubled. This concept will apply only to labor intensive products. Everyone on the board now. Please listen. If same worker does the same job, produces the same, his average time per unit to produce decreases. एक सिंपल वे में समझा दूं सर before we start. If you take 10 days to complete income tax paper revision, first revision will take how many days? First time study took 10 days. First revision will take how many days? 7 days. Second revision will take how many days? 3 to 4 days. What is happening now? The time keeps on decreasing because you are the same student studying the same subject. Here the same worker produces the same job, produces the same product. क्या होता? Average time. This concept will apply whenever production gets double. Double बोले तो 1 will become 2, 2 से 4, 4 से 8 से louder यार 16 से 32 से 64, 128, 256, 512, 1024, 2048, 4096, 8192, 16384 and so on. Once again, when the same worker does the same job, produce the same product, your average time decreases. If average time decreases, आपका ये cost है ना, what's the cost? Labor cost decrease हो जाता है. If labor cost decreases, क्या होता? Your total cost decreases. If your total cost decreases, your profit. So this learning curve has direct impact on your profit of the organization. Your learning curve has a direct impact on the profit of the organization. ये concept को समझो. Now, you want to copy something or shall I continue with one small example? बोलो पापा. आपको कुछ कॉपी करना है और shall I start with an example? हाँ? मतलब ठीक है? Now listen. Let us understand with a small example. Everyone is free. I am assuming. क्या कर रहा हूँ? LCR is 80%. What is this LCR? I'll explain in the next 10 minutes. LCR, learning curve ratio, is 80%. Assume karo sir, these are units. This is average time per unit. This is total time, and this is incremental time. Got that right? Incremental. So this is A. This is B. Clear? And I pay to my labor 10 rupees per hour. How much will I pay to my labor? 10 rupees per hour. He is producing the first unit. And assuming. ये भी assume करना. First unit takes 100 hours. This total time is A into B. So what is the total time taken for the first unit? 100 hours. यहाँ तक clear? Double करो. 2. Double करो. 4. Double करो. Then only this concept will apply. If you don't double, this concept will not apply. First simple rule. 2 units. Use your brains. Technically, if there is no learning curve, 2 units should take 200 hours. First unit took 100 hours, so 2 units should take 200 hours. 4 units should take 400 hours. 8 units should take, but you have learning curve. बोले तो as production gets double, your time taken keeps on decreasing. So your concept says, first unit को कितना time लगा? So you will take 100, you will multiply into LCR. How much is LCR? 80%. कितना आ रहा? 80 hours. 2 into 80 hours? 160 hours. Total time for 1 unit? Total time for 1 unit, 100 hours. Total time for 2 units. So what is the time for the second unit? Am I clear? That's called incremental time. Now use your BRA-INS. BRA means breaks. Learning curve नहीं है. 2 units should take 200 hours. Do you have learning curve? Please participate. Yes. Learning curve ratio. It means when production gets 20% time will be saved. कितना percent? 2 units should technically take 200 hours. But I am saving how much percent time? How much percentage of time I am saving? 20%. So 200 minus 20% will give you 160. अब मैं आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझा रहा हूँ. पहले कॉन्सेप्ट को समझो. NCR 80 बोल तो क्या होता? When production gets doubled, I am saving 100 minus NCR time. I am saving 100 minus NCR as a time. यहाँ तक स्टोरी क्लियर? हेलो. प्रोडक्शन 2 से क्या हुआ? 4. So this will become 80 hours into 80%. कितना? 64. 64 into 4. 256. 160 minus 256 minus 160. तो मैं कैलकुलेटर के साथ में लेना यार. 96. Now use your BRA-INS. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? हाँ? This is time for which unit? Which is the third and fourth unit? This is the time for fourth for the third and fourth unit. I will not be in a position to tell you today how much time for third, how much time for fourth. We cannot do it today, but we will do it in 2 days. But today I can tell you third and fourth unit took 96 hours. How much third? How much? I cannot tell you right now. Now use your brains. NCR 80% बोले तो when production gets double, you are saving 20% of your time. If there is no learning curve, 4 units will take 400. 1 से 2 हुआ, 2 से 4 हुआ. How many times production got doubled? So 400 minus 20% minus 20% करो. Calculator में 400 minus 20% minus 20% करो. आधे अच्छे दिमाग बोला. मैं आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझा रहा हूँ. प्लीज यू डू नॉट नो आई एम वेरी गुड एट ऑल दिस. जान दो उस बात में. इज दिस क्लियर राइट नाउ? 4 से क्या हुआ? 8. अब यहाँ क्या लिखना? यूज योर ब्रेन्स एंड आंसर. लाउडर या प्लीज लाउडर. 64 hours into 80%. निकालो. 51.2 hours. हाँ. Into 8. 409.6. हाँ. Louder यार. 153.6. Am I clear? Now the problem is, what is this 153.6? This is the time taken for 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. How much for 5th? How much for 6th? How much for 7th? How much for 8th? We do not know. But total for 5, 6, 7, 8 is. Now brains लगाओ. क्या लगाओ? Brains. Learning curve नहीं है. Learning curve 8 units will take. I will pay 8,000 rupees to the worker. 8,000 ఎట్లా రని? 10 per hour pay చేస్తున్నా కదా. So how much I am paying to the worker? Learning curve है तो how much I'm paying to the worker? He is working 409.6 hours per per 8 units into 10 4096. How much labor cost I saved? Roughly 3,000 labor cost saved. 1 rupee saved is equal to 1 rupee earned. Labor cost save हो गया, total cost save हो गया, total cost save हो गया, profit increase. This is only for 8 units. If I add 80,000 units here, it keeps on increase. Am I clear with the background? In any problem of in all tables are there. Units, average time per unit, total time, incremental time. यहां तक स्टोरी क्लियर? अब एक काम कर ले, ये कितना है? अज्यूम करा, ఇది ఎక్కువ ఉండాలా తక్కువ ఉండాలా ఇన్ ద ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద కంపెనీ? అది ఎక్కువ ఉండాలా తక్కువ ఉండాలా? 80% ఉంటే వాట్ ఇస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్? హౌ మచ్ టైం యు ఆర్ సేవింగ్? 70% ఉంటే 90% ఉంటే so now you tell your logical these fellows it should be as low as possible. This LCR should be as low as possible. जितना लो रहेगा उतना ज्यादा टाइम सेव होगा. Now tell me this point. So therefore I can conclude ICR LCR shall be as low as possible. Now please understand the depth of this. I'll give you time to note down. Don't worry. I'll give you time to note down. Units. చెప్పండి ఎంత టైం తీసుకున్నాడు ఆ ఎంప్లాయీ? చెప్పండి. 1 to 4 यूनिट्स की कितना टाइम लिया? 256. అవును కదరా? 4 to 8 4 to 8 कितना टाइम लिया रे? 153.6. टोटल इज भाई चाना ना बाबा. अरे राजेश ना. अब यूज योर पेज. First 4 units took. Next 4 units took. This is the magic of learning curve. Now if 8 becomes time और सेव होगा. 16 becomes 32. 32 becomes, it keeps on going. In your final level, you have 2 types of models. Problems without logarithms, problems with logarithms. Intermediately you had logarithms also. याद है कि नहीं? But we will take those problems to a higher level. First, today and tomorrow session will be problems without logarithms. Then I'll explain you log क्या होता, log 10 क्या होता, log a by b क्या होता. Then we will do the problems. Is this start clear? मैं वापिस पूछ रहा, if there is no learning curve, how much time 8 units will take? 800 hours. With the use of learning curve, 8 units are taking. So you are saving roughly 390.4 hours. उसका labor cost is saved. Total cost decreases. As a result, profit increases. ये क्या है? 96. This is the time for 3rd and 4th unit. ये क्या है? This is the time for 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th unit. Background clear? मैं वापिस पूछूं. इसका analysis I'll explain now with the noting will do. You want to copy something? Copy it.
Done clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now copy this. ठीक है? Why is done? Now write it. Analysis. In the above case, time taken for the first unit is 100 hours. Time taken for the first unit is 100 hours. Full stop. It means when production gets doubled, it means when production gets doubled, that is from 1 unit to 2 units, from 1 unit to 2 units, average time taken per unit decreases. Full stop. average time taken for 2 units is equals to, अब मेरे को बोलो रे, ये 80 आवर्स कैसा आया? 80 आवर्स कैसा आया? हाँ, 180 is equals to time taken for the first unit into LCR. ठीक है? अब एक बात बोलो, ये 96 आवर्स क्या है? ब्रैकेट में लिखो, it is time taken for third unit and fourth unit. But today I cannot tell you how much time for third, how much time for fourth. That I cannot tell you right now, but I will tell you, don't worry. Third and fourth. Now use your third unit will take more time or fourth unit will take more time? Louder, yeah. Bracket में लिख लो. Time taken by fourth unit will definitely be less than time taken by fourth unit. Time taken by fourth unit will definitely be less than time taken by third unit. ठीक है? Is analysis clear? We have spent considerable 40 minutes only on the concept and the introduction part. Basic problems will start. ठीक है? Heading: problems without logarithms. Problems without logarithms. Your material, question number 2. Question number 2. ठीक है? On the screen. दिख रहा है question number 2? चलो. A company which has developed a new machine observed the time taken to manage the first machine is 600 hours. Calculate the time the company will be taken to manufacture the second machine. If the learning curve is 80% case 1, case 2, and explain which of these two learning curve will show faster learning. That I need not tell you. 80% is good or 90% is good? 80%. Louder, right? 80%. So second part is already answered because it should be as low as possible. Now, you know our formula. क्या बोलते हैं? Columns क्या है? Louder, yeah. Units. Average time per unit. Total time. This is A into B. Minute please. Case 1 में LCR कितना है? 80%. Clear? First unit is taking how much time? Check करो. Given number 600 hours. Okay. So this also will be 600. This will be 0. 1 will become 2. यहाँ क्या लिखना? 600 hours into 80%. 480 into 2. 960. And incremental time will be 360 hours. Clear? This is case 1. Case 2. LCR is the columns remains the same. Headings. Column heading remains the same. Unit 1 will take, you multiply, you will get 600. Double 600 into 90%. 540. 540 into 2. 1080. Minus करें तो 480. Now use your brains. In case 1, second unit is taking. Louder, yeah. Case 2 में second unit is taking. So which case is better for the company? That is what is been asked. For 5 marks in your November 2016 exam. And not be for 1 mark also. But asked. Today we will do concepts which will clear our mind. Tomorrow the problems, standard of the problems will increase. Is clear? Yeah, that will give you the final conclusion. Now right. Therefore, LCR of 80%. Therefore, LCR of will show faster learning. Will show faster learning. यहाँ तक क्लियर? Guys, ये कौन सा क्वेश्चन था? क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Question number 1. Everyone on your material. In XYZ Limited, the first unit of the product takes 100 hours. It is observed that total time for 2 units is. Find out the LCR. LCR is learning curve ratio. Previous problem, what was LCR? 2 cases were given, 80% as well as 90%. Now use your brains. यहाँ देखो, मैं columns का headings बोलो. Units, average time per unit. Yeah, please, I want everyone to participate. Yeah, next. Total time, incremental. This is A into E. ठीक? Please use your brains now. First unit तो कितना time check करो? Louder, yeah. 100 hours. 1 into 100 gives you 100. Clear? और problem में क्या दे रहा? Units double. 1 will become 2. This is 190 hours under. Given. I am not assuming. I am not assuming. यहाँ तक clear? 4 into 5. 4 into 5. 20 by 4. 20 by 4. 2 into something should be 190. What is that something?
95.
What is that something?
95.
Am I clear? In 95 कैसा आया होगा? 100 hours into LCR is equals to 95. अरे कतरा? Because 100 hours is the time for the first unit. Therefore, LCR should be 95%. So basics पढ़ा रहा हूँ, आप please go to watch. So that your clarity concept should be very clear. So tomorrow when I start with logarithms, which will be asked in the exam, you should not get doubts. Clear? Copy करो. हो गया? I hope there is absolutely no issue if we have class tomorrow. Again I am asking, I hope there is absolutely no issues if we have class tomorrow. You are not answering only. Yes bolo ya no bolo. So tomorrow we will definitely have a session. There is no second thought. Okay. Question number 4. I want you to read it properly once. Quick. Shall I start? Shall I start? Everyone on the screen. Zoom का तरफ नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है. Listen. Question number क्या है? 4. सुन. Question number 4. I have received an order. Order size is 9 units. Do you agree? दिया ना बाबा. Order size is 4 units. Okay. Now listen. If the odd, so now 1 will become double 2. 2 will become 4. We can do the problem. If in the problem, Ikai was given as 5 units, you cannot do the problem. Because double नहीं हो रहा. 1 to 2, 2 to 4. 5 कहीं भी नहीं आता. If the question says first order is of 6, then also you cannot do the problem. Problem तभी कर सकते when production gets double. If it gives 5 or 6, you cannot do the way what we are doing. What we should do, I tell you tomorrow, with the use of logarithms. The use of logarithms. ठीक है? मैं तो आपको headings बोलो. Louder than units. Average time per unit. Total time. Incremental time. This is A into B. Yan tak clear? 1 will become 2. 2 will become 4. What is learning curve ratio given?
90%.
Huh?
90%.
First unit take how much time? दिया होगा सब कुछ 150 hours. So here it will be 150 into 90. 135. Correct? This will be 135 into 90%.
121.5.
121.5. Clear? अब multiply करो.
270.
हाँ.
486.
4.
86.
हाँ. Incremental.
216.
216. Clear? Clear? I want you to read the first bit का last sentence. क्या पूछ रहा? What is the rate per hour? First bit answer. What's the bit? So labor cost for the first 4 units. 486 hours into 5 per hour. 2000. Am I clear? Now use your BRINS. Bridge. Order size. Baba. I delivered to the customer. Customer is so happy. Customer is? He repeated the order. And you assigned the job to the same worker who produced these first 4 units. Please समझो यार. You assigned the job to the same worker who produced these first 4 units. Then only it is logical to do that. Else it will be a problem for you. So क्या होगा? Second order. कितने यूनिट्स का है?
4 units.
So 4 का डबल
8.
और दिया 8. अब करो 121.5 hours into 90%. 109.35. 874.8. Incremental 388.8. यहाँ तक clear? Now, what is second bit is asking for? Labor cost for. Now please use your. What is the time for 5, 6, 7, 8 units? Louder. Into 5. Am I clear with the concept? Into 5. So answer क्या है ना sir? Labor cost. Labor cost for second order. Second order बोले तो bracket में लिख रहा हूँ 5 to 8 What is units? 5 units to 8 units. कैसा? 388.8 into 5. 19. Am I clear? Now tell me, what should be the labor cost for all the 8 units? थोड़ा दिमाग लगाओ दे. What should be the labor cost for all the 8? This is for which units? This is for total कर लो बाबा. See the last bit then. Which है? A plus B. Enta 4,370. OR అంటే 874.8 into 5 కూడా చేస్తే అదే రావాలి. అవును కదరా? This is total time for how many units? Into definitely, else I should stop teaching only if it does not come. Clear? Read it once again the problem now. Please continue. ठीक है? Yes sir, no कुछ तो बोलो. Yes हो गया. No. Done? This was question number 4. Question का. हाँ ठीक. Now come to question number 3. Mark is important. Recently asked an exam for your CMA finals it was asked. Question number 3. Please suno sir. Please suno. Okay. The gift company makes mementos for offering chief guests and other dignitaries at functions. So what do I manufacture? I manufacture the mementos which ICA events may they give to to that respective chief guest and all. Yesterday also there was an event, a customer wants 4 identical pieces for 4 dignitaries. For this product, the company estimates the following. Variable cost excluding labor. Enta per unit? 2000. Direct labor cost 200 hours at the rate of 50 per hour. Enta? 1000. Underline 20 hours. Time taken for the first unit. Underline 20 hours. Arrow mark down and likho. Time taken for first unit. How to do Next guy. यहाँ देखो. Next guy. Participate here please. 50 per hour. Rate per hour. Rate per hour. Sure. Underline the percentage of LCR. 90%. यहाँ तक clear? Now listen. Follow. Require. What is the price per piece to be quoted for the customer if the targeted contribution is 1500 per unit? Okay. If 4 different laborers make the 4 products simultaneously to ensure faster delivery to the customer, then the price at one be quoted above Y. So I'll explain you the difference. Okay. One worker manufacturing 4 mementos. Bit 1. One worker 4 mementos. Bit 2. 4 workers manufacturing one mementos. Then what is happening we should understand. First bit में क्या हो रहा? The one worker manufacturing 4 mementos. Second bit में क्या हो रहा? 4 workers manufacturing one. I'll cover one more case. 2 workers manufacturing 2 mementos each. Even though not asked, we will do that as well. For clarification of the concept. Clear? Clear? Then I tell you how I'll relate to the practical world this topic. अब सुनो, मेरे वो बोलो, क्या बोलते हैं? कॉलम्स बोलो. Units. Average time per unit. Total time. Incremental time. Everyone on the screen. ठीक है. कौन सा क्वेश्चन है ये? LCR and the 90%. Clear? Sure. Units will become 1 का double 2 का double 4. What is the time taken for the first unit? 20 hours. So when I double it will become 20 hours into 90%. 18 hours. When I double it will become 18 hours into 90%, 16.2. Multiply 20, 36, 64.8. Incremental will be 16. अभी difference निकालो. 28.8. Am I clear? 28.8. Am I clear? Now listen. यहाँ तक clear. Okay. Statement showing. वापस बोलो. Statement. Selling price per unit to be quoted to the customer. Please समझो. I have received an order of 4 units for which I have to quote my SP. I have to quote my selling price. We are finding out what difference I should put. How many cases I will cover? 1, 2, 3. First case क्या है? One worker producing 4 units. और दूसरा second क्या है? 4 workers producing 1 unit each, and 2 workers producing 2 units each. This is for only knowledge, even though not given. Absolute. Let us make the problem this way. You are the customer. कौन है आप? You have asked quotation. You have asked from 3 companies. Company 1, company 2, company 3. You are a customer. You want 4 units. You have asked quotation from 3 companies. Company 1 में same worker is manufacturing all the units. Company 2 में 4 workers 1 unit each, and company 3 में 2 units. Clear? And you will decide to whom will you give the order. You will decide आप order किसको देना चाहते हैं. यहाँ तक clear? चलो. What is variable cost given? Check the problem. Louder यार. 2000. Any units tonight? 4 कर रहा. So multiply करो. 8,000. यहाँ तक clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Labor cost. If one worker manufactures time taken for 4 units. Louder yaar. 64.8 into 50 per hour. 3240. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
If one worker manufactures 1 unit and there are 4 workers like this, then what will the time in case 2? Use your brains and answer. 1 worker will take 20 hours, second worker also will take 20, third also 20, fourth also 20. So 20 hours into 4 workers into 50. 4,000. How much time will be taken here? Use this chart and tell me. 1 worker will take 36 hours to manufacture 2 units. The second worker also will take 36 hours to manufacture 2 units. So total will become 72. 3,000. Give me the total. 11,000. 12,000. This is called total VC. Total variable cost. Okay. Now, logically, which company should have the lower cost? Because the same worker is manufacturing and the bigger purchase. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, before I continue, you were taught in marginal costing in intermediate level. What's the topic? Sales minus variable cost gives you contribution. How na kada?
Yes, sir.
From this formula, how to get sales? Louder, Baba. Variable cost plus this we have calculated. Amkadra, idendi vaadichadu. Read the problem. Read the problem. Read the problem. Add contribution. Underline कितना दिया?
1,500.
And write 1,500. Total contribution contribution required. Total contribution required. 1500 per unit into 4 units. 1500 per unit into 4 units. हाँ बोला रे.
6,000.
लिखो 6000. ना विनंडी 6000, 6000 and 6000. Total 17 to 50, 18, 17,000. This is price to be quoted. Avna?
Yes, sir.
Avna?
Yes, sir.
You are the customer. किसको ऑर्डर देते? किसको ऑर्डर देते बाबा? First category को ऑर्डर देते because he is quoting the least price. Even though he is quoting, he is getting the same contribution what second company and third company would have earned. Profit तीनों के लिए same है, but still you will give order to because he applied learning curve properly. अब तीनों कंपनीज का प्रॉफिट रिक्वायर्ड इज रिमेनिंग द सेम, दैट इज 6000. स्टिल यू विल गिव ऑर्डर टू yes. Company 1 is in position to offer at 70, whereas company 2 is able to offer at and this and so on. अब लॉजिक क्लियर of the concept. अब सुनो, प्राइस टू भी क्या है वो? quoted. इसको ए करो, क्या करते हैं? PTBQ, प्राइस टू बी पर यूनिट A by 4 करो. बोलो बाबा. 4,310, 4,500, 4,000, and I will definitely give order to the company one. And logic is also should be very clear. Hello, I hope you are understanding. Variable cost plus. So you मेरे चेप्पारा बाबा, मेरे को नहीं आता casting. I take from you only. You only told that is correct. So don't ask me कहाँ से आया. You only told. Read the problem once again now. Again I am repeating, this third bit is not asked. I did so that you can understand the problem in a much better manner. He asked only 1 and 2. Third bit is not asked. Please read the problem, then only copy karo. Shall I scroll down?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ तक लिख लीजिए प्लीज। हेडिंग रहना स्टेटमेंट शोइंग क्या था सेलिंग प्राइस टू बी कोटेड टू द कस्टमर। हो गया। ठीक है। He is not asking you to decide which company should you opt for. He is just asking what should be the price to be quoted. And they don't do any extra overrushing in the exam. He is not asking anything. Okay. Question number. We have one more question, but that is complicated. You can't do right now. We are expecting more students tomorrow because an exam under. So tomorrow, can you get log tables, or you want me to provide the log and anti-log tables? Bolo Baba, you want me to provide tomorrow? If you can arrange, then well and good. Bolo, kya karna hai? So these are the problems with relevant to without logarithms. Logarithms will apply when production does not get double. Production does not get double. For example, a problem now, which you can't do right now, but I'll tell you for what is it. Question number 9. Question number 9. You cannot do it right now. Read. What is the time for the first unit? What is LCR? He is asking, I want the time for first unit, second unit, third unit, fourth unit and fifth unit. क्या पूछ रहा हूँ? Time for first, second, third, fourth, fifth. With our logic, we can only do 1 to 2, 2 to 4. We cannot do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next session tomorrow we'll understand how to do these kind of problems. Your scanner has 3 problems only. Your study material has 2 problems. We have more than 11 to 15 problems. That is enough. You don't worry about it. उसके बाद चेक करो थियरी भी है. So you need not read anything from your study material. But unfortunately, one bad news is I cannot give you entire chapter entire notes at once because this is the first time I am taking for CMA final. I used to take or I am taking only for CA final costing. This will be the first time, so you will get the first batch chapter wise. Okay, but if you want later on, I can combine that entire into a PDF and give you a soft copy also. आपको ऐसा printer निकालना है तो निकालो. The choice is yours. But for this batch, the topics will be given or notes material will be given chapter wise. Okay, sir. So we will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will start with logarithms. I don't want to start right now because there are more students expected because of BCom. From tomorrow, your timings will be from 7 to 9. 7 to 9 is your timing will continue. There is no break and all. The only request is be participative here. Keep smiling in the class. बाकी सभी सब छोड़ दो मेरे पे. These are all answers. I can take up all this. Keep smiling in the class. इंटर लेवल में क्या था? लर्निंग कर्व में ऐसी कुछ था. फिर क्या था? What was there in the inter level in learning curve? क्या था? Logarithms था. Basics. But इसमें basics नहीं है, थोड़ा high level. So see you tomorrow, sir. Have a nice day and wish you very happy Holi. See you tomorrow at 7 o'clock. Thank you.